This video provides a brief introduction to the Lean project tracking site and shows users how to submit proposals for Lean projects throughout the organization. The Lean tracking site is part of QHSE Navigator, which is a system being piloted for quality reporting and collaboration throughout Schlumberger. The Lean site itself can be accessed through the URL http://qhsenavigator.slb.com/lean. The site is accessible from SciNet as well as when logging in remotely using Secure Gateway. Any user within Schlumberger with a valid LDAP account may access the information contained on the site as well as submit proposals for potential Lean projects. However, only designated team leaders and members may edit the status of ongoing projects. Let's access the site by clicking on the URL. This is the Lean project tracking site. Many of the features on this site will be familiar to people who have used SharePoint before. On this home screen, you can see a diagram that shows the steps in the Lean project tracking process flow. Beneath that, there is a list of announcements and a link to a document that will show you who is authorized to approve your proposals. Actual projects can be found in the middle of the page. As a user, you can look at any proposal or project. They are organized by how far in the process flow the proposal or project has proceeded. Let's look at the projects in Step 3, Project Status, for the personnel organization. The electronic filing project is interesting to me, so let's take a closer look by clicking on the project and selecting View Item. Now that we are viewing the electronic filing project, we can read about some of the important information related to the project. The information in this first box relates to the project proposal. In the next box, we can see that the proposal was signed by an approver so it could become a real project. In box 3, we can see that the project is 50% complete and we can look at who's participating in the project. Finally, in box 4, we can see that the project hasn't been validated yet, which makes sense because the project is still in progress. Let's go back to the main page by clicking Close. Looking at other people's projects has given me an idea for a new project. I'm going to start a proposal for that project by clicking New and selecting New Item. This is the new proposal form. I can use it to describe my idea in a project proposal. The boxes marked with a red asterisk indicate a field that I must fill in before saving the proposal. In this example, I've thought of an idea for using donuts to speed up website development. I'll go ahead and fill in the information for this form. I don't need to fill out all the information in the form in one sitting. As long as I have filled out the boxes that are marked with the red asterisks, I can click OK and my form will remain in Step 1 Proposal. In this case, I'm satisfied with my proposal, so I'll click the box marked Proposal Ready for Approval. This will allow my proposal to go to Step 2. I'll click OK to save my form and return to the main screen. Back at the main screen, I can find my proposal in two places. The Proposal and Projects box shows all proposals, including mine. The box beneath that, marked My Proposals and Projects, will only show proposals and projects that have my name listed in some way. Because I marked Proposal Ready for Approval, my proposal is in Step 2, Approve or Reject. At this point, my approver will need to log into the system, review my proposal, and sign it. I can also continue to edit my proposal or begin entering information for the project stage as I wait for my proposal to be approved. To do this, I select my proposal and click Edit. This is the project and proposal editing form. Here, I can change the details of my proposal or project. This is also the form approvers and controllers use to approve proposals and validate projects. I've logged in as an approver, so I'll be able to sign the project as approved. I'll then click OK to save my changes and return to the main screen. This will move the project to Step 3, Project Status. Back at the main screen, I'll find my project under Step 3, Project Status. I can see that the proposal status has now been marked Approved and project status is now in progress. I've signed in as a project member now, and I'll go back to edit the project. Now that I've returned to the project and proposal editing form, I can enter details about the ongoing project. I should update the % complete every week during the project. As % complete increases, the DMEC phase will automatically change to reflect the project's progression. You can also see that the form directs me to attach a detailed project cost form and an A3 form before marking the project as completed. Let's say the project is already finished and I'm ready to have the project validated. First, I make sure that all the necessary information is entered into the form. Once I've filled in all the information, next I make sure that the attachments of the A3 document and the detailed project cost form are attached. I do this by scrolling up top of the form and selecting the Attach File button. I've already filled out A3 and detailed project cost forms, so I'll attach them now. I can see the attachments down here, and I can also delete them. At this point, I'm ready for the project to be validated, so I will mark it as 100% complete and click OK to save it. This moves the project to Step 4. Now that the project has been marked as 100% complete, I'll find the project under Step 4, Validation. A project must be validated by an authorized project approver and by a controller. I've signed in as a project approver and controller, so I'll be able to sign the project as validated. I do this by going back to the Edit, Proposal, and Project form. Then I sign my name in the Project Validation Approver box and the Project Validation Controller box. I then select OK to save the project. This returns me to the home page. Now that my project is validated, I'll find it under Step 5, Completed. At this point, my project has gone through the entire workflow. This concludes the training on the Lean Project Tracking site. I hope you have fun and success as you think of great ideas for new project proposals and as you see them through to completed projects. Reach out to a Lean champion for additional information. Thank you.